Today, we're making scallion fried smoked tofu. First, cut the smoked tofu into long strips. Then, cut them into diamond shapes with a diagonal cut. Slice the scallions diagonally into segments. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add the smoked tofu. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Blanching the tofu will make it more tender. Stir in one direction to avoid breaking it. After about a minute, drain it in a colander. Heat oil and add the scallions. Stir fry until softened. Cook out the aroma of the scallions. Once the scallions are softened, add the smoked tofu to the pan. Season it now. Pour soy sauce along the edge of the pan to release the aroma. Add a squeeze of oyster sauce to enhance the flavor. Add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Add a dash of chicken essence for extra flavor. Stir fry for a few seconds to mix the flavors. It seems a little dry. Let's add some water. Subscribe to my channel. There's always a dish that suits your taste. Finally, drizzle some vegetable oil to add flavor and color. Stir fry until evenly combined, and then you can serve it. It's fragrant, tender, flavorful, salty, and delicious. The fragrant and tender scallion fried smoked tofu is ready. If you don't have smoked tofu, you can use dried tofu instead.